Welcome to 𝐒𝐤𝐻𝐸's Jasper conversion tool. This tool makes it easy to convert Oracle XML files into Jasper's jar.xml format, saving you time and effort compared to doing it manually. Here's how it works. Start by uploading a zip file with your Oracle XML files. The JCT tool automatically converts them into jar.xml files. Manually converting these files would take a lot of time, as you'd need to carefully arrange layouts, place elements, and bind data. With JCT, this process is much faster and more efficient. Once the conversion is done, the tool generates the jar.xml files along with 2 Excel reports. Report Summary gives an overview of all the XML files in the zip. Detailed Report Excel sheet provides in-depth information about fields, functions, queries, and groups found in each XML file, helping you review the conversion. You can open the jar.xml files in Jasper Studio, as we can see that most elements have been successfully converted. However, some manual adjustments are still needed to fine-tune the layout and formatting. After making those adjustments, you can connect the report to a database, set input parameter values, and ensure the data is bound correctly. Here's an example of a PDF generated from the AA124 file after those manual adjustments were made. Similarly, this is the PDF generated for 𝐒𝐢𝐻𝐸328 file. Thanks for watching.